I've been experimenting with a cable connector to just kind of organize my wires. I work on it in FreeCAD, and I export this boundary representation from FreeCAD into an STL file, which then I store in GitHub in order to retain the history of the different versions of what it looked like in different points of time. It has really nice options for how you can view that file right in the browser, and I looked a little bit deeper. It seems to be using Three.js under the hood, which is something other sites like Wikipedia use, and then I really don't think that feature is going anywhere. Just wanted to see how married GitHub was to Three.js, so check their globe out as well. I'm gonna just demonstrate updating this repository, although I'm not making an update to a model. It's really just, this is just a text fix, a markdown fix that I noticed a link that was kind of malformed, so I'm gonna go in there and just make a change, which in this case probably would be easier to do in like a WYSIWYG for Thingiverse or Thangs. But what I really like about putting things in GitHub is having that history and having that control, that finer control over the different versions of the different iterations of your project. So that's what I do with this commit, and yeah, just make sure that that worked. And if it were a model that I updated, upload the file into the models, and then I would be able to just see that change. Hope that's helpful. Curious what other people do to version their STL or other 3D model renders. Yeah, let me know in the comments, and see you in the next one. Bye.